Here's an interesting vehicle, multimobil.at on a Chevrolet base, and what we have here, we have the cabin, we have something which appears as though it was originally a delivery vehicle or something of that nature, but because of the shape of it, which goes up, it's a box, which may not be suitable for what the van producers want to do, but for motorhomes, this is really good. So what they've done here, very simple design, but they've got the bed that goes up and down. This from Lipid Components. You can see this in the other videos I've done. Stack of storage space down below, and and here is the toilet as well, and shower. So I think that it shows what you can do with a vehicle if you want to. There you are. You can also put in the captain's chairs. The mechanism for doing captain's chairs isn't particularly expensive as you buy the original Mercedes or something than it is. But these things here, I mean, I presume 150 euros, and you get the kit for it if you can do it, because it's not super easy. Extra chair here, very good use of space, very nice vehicle. Here there's a boiler or something in here as well. So there's an idea of the sort of thing, and you can also ask the company to build it for you if you so desired. Let's now just have a quick look around the rear of it as well. There. Oh yeah, I like the way that vehicle is. I haven't got the details of it. How much does it cost? Every vehicle they build to order, so as they build to order, then everything will cost a different amount. Pretty good, eh? So, and see the bed coming down. Oh, it's particularly good. This doesn't actually see the roller. Super. And there's the space above the bed. Lot of light from above. Very nice. So, there you have the company again, Multimobil Fahrzeug der Sonderklasse. And so, thanks very much for watching, and lots more vehicles from here, from Abenteuer und Allrad.